garage door weather seal is one of the most important parts of a quality installation of a garage door. It is sometimes referred to as stop or door trim, but it provides a clean finish on the outside while keeping the elements out of the garage by covering the side gaps of a door. If you're replacing the current trim, be sure to remove any existing trim, nails, and caulk while the garage door is in the open position. The best place to start is with the top seal. Have the door in the closed position, collect the measurement for the entire span of the opening. Sometimes it is helpful to have a second person. After you cut the trim to length and with the garage door down, place the trim next to the garage door to simulate how it will look installed. Make guide marks to help when attaching to the jamb. The soft, flexible flap should be installed at an angle to the garage door. It is easiest to nail home with the door in the open position, but be sure it does not hinder the travel and that when the door is closed, the seal is snug against the top section. Repeat this process with the side pieces. Cut to length and attach to the jamb with the door in the down position. Make sure the trim is not too tight to the door. Keeping the soft flap at around a 45-degree angle will help. Remember, you are blocking the gap between the door and the jamb. Getting the stop too close will cause problems for the door travel. Garage door weather seal is manufactured in several assorted sizes, shapes, colors, and styles. For more information about the various colors and styles we offer, call 833-SSC-DOOR to talk to a member of our sales team or visit one of our various service centers where they have the most popular colors in stock.